Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover customer relationships with Zoho CRM step by step clearly. To recover customer relationships with Zoho CRM, begin by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the Contacts module from the main dashboard. Identify the customers whose relationships need recovery. Click on the customer's profile to review their history and interactions. Analyze their past purchases and support tickets for insights into their experience. Use the Notes section to add any observations or important details. Next, reach out to the customer via email or phone to re-establish communication. Personalize your outreach by mentioning specific past interactions. Once contacted, listen to their concerns and feedback actively. Document their responses in the CRM for future reference. Utilize Zoho's Tasks feature to set reminders for follow-ups. Create a tailored engagement plan based on their preferences and pain points. Consider offering incentives to renew their interest in your products or services. Monitor their engagement through the CRM's analytics tools. Adjust your approach based on the data collected from their interactions. Encourage feedback after resolving their issues to further strengthen the relationship. Continue to nurture the relationship through regular check-ins and relevant updates. Utilize Zoho's automation features to streamline ongoing communications. Assess your recovery efforts regularly through performance reports. Make necessary adjustments to improve customer satisfaction continuously. In summary, leveraging Zoho CRM effectively can significantly enhance your ability to recover and maintain customer relationships. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.